Hi, it's Daniel, and thank you for watching In a Magical Mood. Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to mobile ordering at the Disneyland Resort. Mobile ordering is available at most quick service locations within the resort, but it is not available at the snack carts, so you can't order your pretzels or your churros or your popcorn from the app. It does not cost any extra to mobile order. Let's dive right into it. I'll show you how to mobile order and share tips, tricks, and secrets. Once you are in the Disneyland app, there's a few different ways to place a mobile order, but they all get you to basically the same spot. So the first thing you can do is you can go to the plus at the bottom and then click on order food. And once you're there at the top, you'll see that there's an option for as soon as possible and an option to schedule for later. So you need to decide when you want to eat. So if you want to eat now, you can see that there are restaurants that are available now. There's even filters to change that up, but it lists all the places here, if you scroll down, that are available or the next available time for those places. The other way that you can find mobile ordering is by going to the map. So if you X out of here and you are on this main home screen, you touch the little map icon in the bottom left, and that takes you to the map. Usually it defaults to the attractions, so I'm going to change that to dining. And once you're there, if you know where it's located in the park, you just find your restaurant and it will tell you when the next mobile ordering times are and explain how to mobile order. So, for example, Red Rose Tavern there, you click on it and then there's an option to order food, and then it will pull up the next available arrival window. Once you do that, it will load the menu and then you can select what you want to eat. If you know what you want, scroll down, find it, and you can add it. So if I want the classic Angus 3rd pound cheeseburger, I can select that. Customize it however I see fit by selecting any other additional options or changing the side. There's customizations down at the bottom as well. If I want to get rid of cheese or sauce, that's very easy to do. And once you're ready to add it to your order, you just click add. And then it will do that and take you back to the screen where you can select more items. Once you are ready to order, you can click on view my order. It usually suggests something else that you may want to add, like in this case a soda. And then you click review order summary, and that will take you to your shopping cart, if you will. It will show you the total. It will calculate any discounts that you're eligible for. So Magic Key holders do get a discount at most quick service restaurants. And then when you scroll down, it will total everything out. You can choose to check out with Apple Pay, or you can select a different payment method. You can see that if I select use different payment method, I can change the credit card that's listed there to one of the other ones that might be in my account, and super easy to do. Once you're all ready and happy with the card that's selected, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on purchase. One other thing to note is that if you do want to use a gift card, you are 100% able to do that. As you can see here on the checkout screen, you can change your payment method. If you want to add a Disney gift card of some type, you just click on that add a card right there, and that will allow you to type in your gift card number and use that towards your purchase. In addition to finding places with the map, you also can just find a simple list of restaurants by clicking on Show List in the top right corner of the app when you are on the dining part of the map. And that just lists all of the restaurants. Doesn't specify which ones have mobile order, but you can see that the ones with mobile order at the bottom will list mobile orders. So for example here, Ballast Point in downtown Disney does not have mobile ordering, but Bayside Brews, Bengal Barbecue, and Bing Bong Sweet Stuff do. So if you want to place a mobile order from any of those places, you just click on it. So here I'll click on Bengal Barbecue, and it takes you to a slightly different screen than before, but you can click on order food if you want to actually order something, or if you just want to view the menu, you can click on view menu. But if you click order food, it takes you to that same screen I just showed you with a different arrival window. One of the great features about mobile ordering is that it lets you order allergy-friendly choices with great ease. Let's go back to Red Rose and start the process of placing an order. Once you select your time and it loads the menu up, you'll notice at the top that it has different categories. Well, the last category is going to be allergy-friendly, so if you click on that, it scrolls all the way to the bottom and it lists the different options based on different allergy dietary needs that you might have. So if you have a soy allergy, you can click on that one, and it will show you the options that are allergy friendly. You're also able to customize within this allergy friendly portion of the menu. As wonderful as mobile ordering is, there are some limitations to be aware of. So if you really do want to make certain customizations, if you have maybe a picky eater in your party, you can't always do what you want to do in the app. So real quick, let me show you again at Red Rose. If I want to get that cheeseburger and I want to make customizations to it at the bottom by clicking on Customize Your Selection, the only choices I have to customize are to basically remove the cheese, I can remove the signature sauce, or I can add an extra patty for an upcharge. But if I don't want lettuce or I don't want tomato, that's not a customization that I'm able to make on this burger. So that is a limitation that may make it so that you don't want a mobile order. You may be better off waiting in the regular line to order, because that will give you more customization options. The cast members at the registers are able to put in your customization requests that are not able to be put in the app. Mobile ordering becomes available each day around 7 a.m. Now that doesn't mean that restaurants open at 7 a.m., but that means you can start placing orders for later in the day at 7 a.m. So if you know around noon you're going to want to eat at Red Rose or Galactic Grill or Bengal Barbecue, check into the app at 7 a.m., start placing the order for that time. But what happens if you are trying to eat now and you can't find a time at the restaurant you want for right now and the line looks really long? Is there anything you can do? Here's the biggest trick I have for mobile ordering. So right now, Jolly Holiday is showing me a 12:50 return time. Now what you can do is you can X out of that and click order food again, and that may change the time. So look, now it's gone to 12:30. But what I like to do, if that's the case, and I want to eat now, and right now it's actually about 11:15. So I select that time that's for later, and you can see at the top there it says 12:30 to 1 o'clock is my return window. But let's pick something to order, a nice snack to get. So I'm going to go ahead and order this Matterhorn macaroon. And I'm going to add it to the cart. And once I'm there, all I need to do is check out. And it will charge your card once you check out, so do be aware of that. But I go down, I'm going to use my saved credit card that's in the app. Click purchase. And now it's been ordered for 12:30 to 1. What if I want to eat it now? Well, there's a button there that says change arrival window, so if I go ahead and click on that, it will come up with different times. So look, I can roll it back to 12:10, so that's better already. So I usually will do that, 12:10, great. But I want earlier, so do it again. Look, now I got 11:40, and this is working out really easily. It doesn't always work this quickly. If I go back, look, now it went to 11:50, so when it's not a time that you want, you click on the back arrow and click change arrival window again. And you can keep refreshing back and forth by pressing that back arrow and change arrival window. As you can see, I just keep refreshing there. And the time changes every time you do that. But I can probably get an earlier time than even the 11:40 that I already have if I just keep doing that. So don't be discouraged if you can't get an immediate return time for your food. You can get much earlier than what it says there just by having a little bit of persistence. Now, I'm back at the map screen because I clicked one too far to do the refresh time trick for mobile ordering. How do I get back to my mobile order? Well, that's super easy, but it's not intuitive. So you want to click on what I call the hamburger menu in the bottom right. That's those 3 lines down there. Once it's on this screen, you just click on mobile food orders in the bottom right corner. And sometimes it freaks out and says I don't have any orders. So I'm going to go back and try again. And there it is. So if I click on view my order details, it takes me back to that same screen. I can try again to change the arrival window. So I can keep trying that trick to change the window to be earlier. And eventually I might get something a little bit sooner, but 11:40 is pretty good. Now, here's another pro insider tip on this. My time says 11:40, but I can actually check in and say that I'm here for my order 5 minutes earlier than that. So at 11:35, I can actually try and pick up my order. Let's say that I don't want to pick up that order anymore. Well, as long as I have not checked in to try and pick up the order, I can cancel that order. So there's no penalty to ordering and then canceling later, other than it will take that money off of your credit card and it takes a couple of days to go back. So right now, Jolly Holiday, maybe I don't want that Matterhorn macaroon anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel the order. Super easy to do. It's canceled. It'll give me a little confirmation here in a second. So it shows me that I will not be charged there at the top, and it's going to go back to my card eventually. I have now gone ahead and placed another mobile order at Galactic Grill for an immediate pickup time, and you can see that once your pickup window becomes available, there's a button there to say, I'm here, prepare my order. So make sure you do not press that button until you are ready to actually pick up your order. Now, if I want to cancel it for now, I can click on cancel order there, and very easy to cancel. Or if I want to change my arrival window and make it for later, that's also very easy to do. So as you can see, look, change arrival window, and I can scroll through all these times. So super easy to do that, very simple, and gives you a lot of flexibility. So if you think you want to be somewhere later in the day, place that order ahead of time, and you can always change it or cancel it if your plans change. Once you are ready to actually place your mobile order and pick it up, I strongly suggest finding a nice place to sit by your restaurant. So go ahead and pick out a table, get comfortable. Once you're ready, press that "I'm here, prepare my order" button, and then you don't need to do anything until your screen changes. Once you press that button, the kitchen starts preparing your order, and then once it's ready, it'll tell you what window to go to and to just check in with that window to pick up your food. Super easy, so instead of waiting in a long standby line, you can just find a nice calm place to sit until your order's ready. The next pro tip I have is that you can search for particular food types. So if you have a picky eater in your group, it's super easy to find food that they want. Let's say you want a hot dog. Whatever screen you're on, click on the search icon at the bottom, and you can search for that food type by clicking on the search area and then typing it in. So let's type in hot dog. Hot dog, and I can click search, and it will show me the places that sell hot dogs. So there's a big list there. You can go straight to the mobile order. So if I was at California Adventure, wanted to go to Corn Dog Castle, I can go through that process right now and order myself a hot dog. Another tip I have is that some quick service restaurants sell ice cream bars. So if you don't want to wait in the line at a cart, go ahead and type in ice cream bar to the search area of the app. And when you do that, it will pop up with a bunch of restaurants, most of which will sell ice cream bars. So my personal favorite for that, because you can usually get a really quick return time, is Galactic Grill. So if I keep going down, I find Galactic Grill, I go to order food, select my window, and then if you click on desserts there in the different categories, you can see that I can order myself a Mickey ice cream sandwich, a Mickey ice cream bar, or a strawberry fruit bar. Super easy, much less wait sometimes than those ice cream carts, and you can't beat that. And you get your discount if you have a magic key. So that's kind of a pro tip there that I think helps us out when we're wanting an ice cream bar. The last big tip I have, which is going to help you save time, is I encourage you to update your app before your visit so that you have the most up-to-date Disneyland app in case they've changed anything. That'll help speed the process along and make everything smooth on your end. And I also suggest adding all your payment methods that you think you might be using before you get to the park, so that instead of having to fumble with your credit card and putting it into the app, you have it ready to go, and all you have to do is click a couple quick buttons in order to apply that payment method. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Mobile ordering is a great option. When we visit, we very, very rarely will wait in a walk-up ordering line at a restaurant. We typically only will if we have a weird customization that we want to make that the app won't let us do, or if we walk up and we can see that it's got a very, very short line without any waiting. Otherwise, we mobile order probably 90% of the time that we order food from the quick service restaurants here. We find it incredibly helpful and incredibly easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. We really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, let us know down in the comments area below so that we can try and answer them for you. Don't forget to subscribe for even more magical contents from here at the Disneyland Resort, and I hope I put you in a magical mood.